For a while, I've struggled to say what my main keyboard was. And this is the one. It has this, and it has that. A ducky that I double-sided taped. Is it necessary? No, it's not. But it's mine. One of the main reasons being is that it's super easy to open, as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. And that's it. What I have housed inside is 2 layers of paper towels. Yes, paper towels. I don't know what brand, but that's besides the point. I have 2 layers for my Tempest tape mod. And here I want to show you the result of my work. The gaskets have room to breathe, allowing it for it to bounce up and down. The switches I use for this keyboard are Ethereal Pandas, lubed with 205G0 and filmed with Deskeys films. They replicate Holy Pandas, and while being a little expensive, are still a very nice switch. The keycaps I'm using are the GeekArk Black on White Round 2 edition. They have a very nice soft texture to them and have very nice printing, all for around $60. I also appreciate how this keyboard supports both Windows and Mac. And lastly, I just want to say how nice the weight of this keyboard is. For around $150 for the base kit, I would say this is a very good keyboard. Modding the keyboard really changes the sound and feel of it, and that's something I really appreciate. The biggest gripe I have with this keyboard is that it seems like the frame likes to hit my keycaps. You'll be able to hear the metal contacting here. Luckily it's only my F8 key, but as a result, here's what it looks like after. As stated before, I use Ethereal Pandas for all of my switches, except for my modifiers. For those, I use Boba U4Ts, as I feel like it's a cleaner sound. Well, that's my keyboard. That's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and here's a sound test for you to listen to. Until next time.